Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Colibreeze and I'm here to show you how to complete an activity called See, Think, Wonder, where we look at an image and we actively think about what we see only. Then we think about how what we see determines what we think. And then what these two things, seeing and thinking, makes us wonder about. So as you can see off to the side here, I have a pretty silly picture of two giraffes in a little restaurant or something. And so I'm going to show you how to use this picture to do See, Think, Wonder, and then you'll have your own to go in and do with a different picture. But your work will look like just like this, what I have right here. So for the things that I see, I want to make sure I'm not making any guesses. I'm only allowed to write down the things that I really know for sure that I see with my eyes. Okay, so I see two giraffes. One is bigger, one is smaller. I can't say that one's the mom and one's the baby because I don't know that. They might just be brother and sister. I don't know. Okay, I see a table set with 4 placemats, and I see another table set with 2 placemats. I see open windows. I see grass and trees outside. I see some striped chairs. I see candles on the tables. I see some mulch on the ground. Okay, so I think I've covered almost everything that I see. Now I can write down what I'm thinking. I'm going to erase where it says type here, and then I'm going to just type whatever pops into my head. I see these 2 giraffes who got hungry and saw an open window, so they stuck their necks in to eat. I think this kind of looks like maybe a restaurant at a zoo or at a theme park like Busch Gardens or something that has animals at it. It's probably a place where you can eat lunch and see the animals at the same time. Okay, I also think the giraffes are probably not supposed to be doing that. Okay, that seems like a good amount of things to think. Now I'm going to come over to my wonder, and I have a bunch of questions that I need answered after looking at this picture. Was there anything in the bowls? Is someone going to get in trouble for leaving those windows open? Who has to wash the dishes? Are the giraffes related? Oops, spelled wash wrong up here. Is anyone watching them do this? I guess there is because somebody took this picture. Can you even punish a giraffe for doing something so hilarious? Let's see. I'm kind of wondering how far off the ground those windows are. They look to be pretty low. I'm kind of wondering also, do the giraffes do this all the time? Maybe that's kind of what's going on. Okay, so I've got a bunch of observations, just things that I see. Remember, these are just facts in the picture. Then my thinking is kind of what I'm inferring. I'm using what I see in the picture to make kind of a guess about what's going on. And then my wonder is the questions that I have. So going along with this week's lesson about how readers ask questions, this is really the most important box. So after we see and notice things, what does that make us have questions about? And this activity is going to help us have questions about our reading when we listen or when we read. Notice that everything in the wonder category in this lime green box here has a question mark after it. That's because we are wondering things. We are asking questions just like good readers do. All right, boys and girls, your turn. Head to your Google Classroom for your assignment.